Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we put sounds together to make words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the first sound of the word, then all the other sounds after, and your job is to put those sounds together to make a word. Then you're going to pick which word it is I'm saying. So just to get started, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean with these three words up here. So we have zebra, hop, and jam. So to say zebra with just the beginning sound and then all the rest, it's going to sound like this. Z-ebra. Hop is going to sound like this. Op. And jam is going to sound like this. J-am. So I want you to pick the word that I'm saying. Please find the word j-am. Did you find it? I hope you picked jam. Now, we have zebra, hop, and peach. I want you to pick the word zebra. Which one of these is zebra? Can you find it? Zebra. I hope you picked the zebra. Okay, now we have vine, hop, and peach. And my word is vine. Vine. Once more. Vine. Put those sounds together. Which word am I saying? Did you pick the vine? Okay, now we have a new word. We have red, hop, and peach. So this time I'm going to say the word up. Up. One more time. Up. When you put those sounds together, what word am I saying? Hop. Okay, here we go. Our new word is for. So we have red, for, and peach. And here is the word for right now. Pa, each. Put those sounds together. Pa, each. One more time. Pa, each. What's my word? Peach. Oh, and look at the last one. Someone lost a tooth. So that's going to be the last word. So we have red, for, and tooth. So remember, put my sounds together. Okay, I know my word. Ready? T-ooth. T-ooth. One more time. T-ooth. What's my word? Hey, it was the loose tooth. Have you lost any teeth? See you later.